In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in TradingView. Whether you're checking charts, saving layouts, or syncing watch lists across devices, getting signed in quickly and securely sets you up for a smooth session. Let's walk through it together, step by step, with a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official website at www.tradingview.com. Take a quick look at the address bar to make sure you're really on the TradingView site before you continue. Once the home page loads, move your cursor to the top right corner. You'll see a sign-in button or a small profile icon that looks like a person. Click that. As soon as you do, the login form should appear on your screen. If your window is small, the button might be tucked into a menu, so expanding the window or zooming out slightly can help. Also, if the form doesn't appear right away, give the page a second to finish loading. Now, in the login form, type the email address or the username that's linked to your TradingView account. Double-check for typos and make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end of what you've entered. In the next field, enter your password exactly as you set it. Passwords are case-sensitive, so confirm that caps lock is off if you're on a desktop keyboard. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it fill your credentials securely, but do verify that it's using the correct account if you have more than one. When everything looks right, click the Sign In button to proceed. After you click Sign In, you should be taken into your TradingView account. Typically, you'll land on your last used chart, your home page, or your ideas feed, depending on your previous session. If the page seems to hang, a quick refresh can help it catch up. Should you see an error message about incorrect details, carefully retype your email or username and your password, paying attention to spelling and letter case. Small mistakes are easy to make, especially on mobile keyboards. That's the whole process. Open the site, click Sign In at the top right, enter your email or username and your password, and then select Sign In. With these simple steps and a few checks for accuracy, you'll be inside your account and ready to analyze the markets in no time.